Julie Nickel, aka Louise. Are you ready for this workout today?
I am.
You are?
After my multiple Christmas parties.
You have been enjoying yourself this Christmas, haven't you?
A little bit.
Oh, that's what life is for. There you go. Butcher, are you ready?
Yeah.
Butcher is ready. Kareem, we've got a guest appearance today.
Always ready.
Always ready. There we go. Where's Elaf? There's Richard Wilson. This is the instigator. There we go. And this is Elaf, aka Genetics. There we go. Say hello.
Hello.
There you go. All right. And we are ready for this workout. Let's crack on, I guess. Hashtag older lady.
So 10 snatches, 5 burpee box jump over, 20 snatches, 5 burpee box 30, 5 burpee 20, 5 burpee 10, 5 burpee.
Look at my neck, right?
No time.
I get that check,
we'll
right?
say, you know
I'm
what,
so
we'll
blessed,
say
right? Off of that
12
jet
minutes.
pipe,
Everything's been
off of
12
that
minutes.
side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I get that check, right? Look. Off of that side. Wave, look. Hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell Lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing. 2021, about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learn from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's oh well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, I'm about to profit. I'm a real hitter with them wheels spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, can top in the backseat. Deck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. It's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck, bright. I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that check, right?
How's that?
What lighting is it?
It's
tough.
It's a bit too bright. Yeah, how was that work? Tough.
I can tell that I'm like 23 years older than Ela.
Elaf's over there, aka Genetics.
I can't keep up.
I can't keep up with anyone. I'm struggling. And I'm the biggest one here. Shame. Shame on me.